Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Ryan Akniautuan. My study number is A320200154, and I'm from Public Speaking Class H. On this occasion, I will teach about descriptive text. Before we start it, let's say basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
To shorten the time, we go directly to the material. Today, we will discuss about one of the genres in English text, namely descriptive text. Before exploring the material about descriptive text, we must know the meaning the word descriptive itself. In Indonesian, descriptive text means description. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, description means a clear and detailed explanation or description in words. Then there is an understanding taken from Wikipedia that description means a rule of data processing efforts into something that can be stated clearly and precisely with the aim that it can be understood by people who have not directly experienced it themselves. So, it can be concluded that descriptive text is a text that explains something. For example, describing people, animals, or an object in terms of shapes, characteristic, number, and so on. Descriptive text also aims to explain, describe, or reveal a person or an object. Generic structure of descriptive text. Each genre of English text has its own generic structure, including descriptive text. Just like the others, descriptive text must also be written sequentially. If you want to write a descriptive text, make sure the arrangement is like this. The first one is identification. The identification section contains an introduction and an overview of a topic. Identification serves as an introduction to what we are describing, so that readers or listeners do not misunderstand. For example, what we describe is a cat, but the readers or listeners actually misunderstand being a dog. The second one is description. The description is section contains special characteristic or traits contained in the object, person, or animal that you are describing. Characteristic of descriptive text. The first one is using simple present tense. This tense is used because in descriptive text, we will explain a fact or truth contained in a thing or person. The second one is using many adjectives. The word adjective is used because in the descriptive text, we will explain the properties of an object, human, or animal. We will often encounter the word is or relating verb in descriptive text because is mean is which refers to the explanation of the thing, person, or animal we are describing. And the last, descriptive text only focuses on describing one object. For example, my lovely cats. Identification. I have a stray cat as my pet. He is really playful. He loves to play with me and the new things he found. He has orange and white fur. His fur is so soft and I like to rub it for him. The second one is identification. He has a long tail. He likes to play with it. He is also always try to catch his tail sometimes. I also like to hold him in my hand. When I hold him like that, he will fall asleep. Explanation. The first sentence or the first paragraph is identification. In this sentence, it explains that the author has a cat as his pet cat. The second paragraph contains an explanation or description of the author's cat by describing the nature and characteristic of the cat, such as a long tail and its habit of always sleeping in the author's den. Okay, class, that's all the material for this meeting. Before I close this meeting, maybe any question?
Yes, sir. I want to ask something. What is the difference between descriptive text and a report text?
Good questions. I will answer it in short. Report, report text describes the way of certain things and frequently refer to phenomena of nature, animal, and scientific object. Okay, Risang, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Well, I think that's enough for this meeting. I hope you all understand what I teach. Thank you for taking the time to meet again at the next meeting. Finally, let's close this meeting by saying Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.